Hello A+ traders, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video I'm going to give you a tip, more like a strategy, a tip on how to make over $3,000 by taking just 4 trades. I'm serious about it, just 4 trades. But first, before we begin, my name is Anibita of A+ Trading Hub, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next update. So let's begin. We are on the CAD Swiss francs chart, 1 hour chart. I remember when you are doing analysis, the first thing you need to do, you need to zoom out. When you zoom out, first you identify the trend. What's the trend? What's the trend? Alright, price is moving up, so we are on an uptrend right now. We are on an uptrend heading into, since we have identified the trend, the next thing to do now is plot our levels. This is our resistance here, and here is our support. There is what I call the shock absorbers. It's kind of weird, but I just name it shock absorbers. It helps me know when price is fully out of a support zone or a resistance zone. All I do is draw a rectangle like this, and I call them shock absorbers. You just need to make sure this rectangle box is within a range of not less than 50 pips, because sometimes you may even see a fall breakout. Like if this line here was to be your support, if you notice now it would have broken out, but by applying the shock absorbers, it helps you control if line and price have totally broken out. Price was in an uptrend approaching a resistance level that is set. How to trade this now? If you notice from here now, from this point now to this point here, price have been in a range. To some traders, they won't trade this range. They'll say no, it's not a good time to trade because price is in the range. No, you can still make money from trading ranges. So that is what I'm going to show you today, how you can trade a consolidation or a range in any market. So let's begin. I have to first we identify our trend. Price is heading to a resistance, and this is our resistance here. This 7623 zone is our resistance, and our support is 7537 zone. Let's do this. So this is what you do. When you notice this, when you notice price coming into a resistance and we find a rejection, here we had a rejection here. There was a pin bar on that level there, so that was a rejection of the resistance. First we had that rejection, and here we see price testing the support level, turning this resistance level here to support. So that was a valid also point for price. Then we now had this strong rejection. We now had the strong rejection here, this candle here, the inverted hammer there. So now we have point 1, 2, 3. Now this scenario happening here gives you a clue that price is likely going to move in a range. And from my trading experience, I've noticed that anytime price prints a candlestick formation like this kind of long, as in long weak inverted hammer or hammer, it tends to retrace to cover up that rejection, that price rejection, and moves in a range for some time. So that is what we'll be trading. So first, when you see price heading to on your support or resistance zones, and you see price doing this, now the total body of that candlestick, the rejection candlestick, will be, you place it as your support. Your resistance will be above, like this, above this point here, and your support will be here. So now what I'm using to confirm that this is a valid support is that first, price broke the first line of resistance and retested it, and here we had a rejection, and this, after price decline, we had a rejection, another rejection here, and price is still unable to break below here. These 3 points now have confirmed that price is going to move in a range for some time. Then what you do is you start looking for selling opportunities from this point. Start looking for selling opportunities from this point here, from this point. After price have moved in to that range again and retested, this is a retest here. This is a retest happening here. So after this retest, all you need to do is look for selling opportunities. Why I'm saying you should look for selling opportunities? From what we have seen from this region here, it's giving us clue that price is going on a reverse move, because price was on an uptrend before. So now that point is giving us clue that price wants to head back down, so on a reversal. So that is why you only look for selling opportunities. You don't need to trade against the trend. Since we are identifying a new trend happening, you only need to take sell trades. So when taking your sell trade, you will be looking for sell opportunities on the resistance levels, and your take profit will be before the support. You don't need to place your take profit below the support or on the support, because price may not reach there. So you place it before the support, while your entry level will be on the resistance. So let's start spotting our trades from here. From this point, from this retest point, price went up and was here again. If you notice from here, here we had a bearish engulfing, and there was an inverted hammer here, and also another bearish engulfing there. So that is a bearish candlestick formation, which suggests price is going to move down. So by just seeing this, the first and the second one, all you need to do is take a sell trade. You have to take a sell trade here. Take a sell trade from this point here, and make sure your stop loss is above the shock absorbers. Let it not be inside, because price may repeat what happens here, like going into the box and coming back down again. So you place your stop loss above the shock absorber boxes. Then your take profit will be before the support, which is here. So if you did take this trade here, this is a nice trade. That is the first trade, and when price reaches the support, you take your profit and wait again for price to be at resistance. So while waiting, blah blah, boom, price is at support again and carved a double top. See, price carved a double top. Inside here, a series of inverted hammer and pin bars here. Price also carved a double top, a double confirmation. So you take a sell trade again. From here, only sell, only take a sell trade. Don't look for buying opportunities. You sell while placing your stops above the box, above the shock absorber, and you take profit before the support level. Then what price did? Price went down and boom, we take our profits from here, because price at least went more than 50%. Let's say you take your profit from there and price went back to resistance. That will give you another selling opportunities, because I see some rejection candles here, you take another trade, sell trade, and price went all the way down back to our target level again. Now only looking for selling opportunities. Then once price is here to the one price is at support level again, you take off your profits and wait till price goes back to resistance. Now price is heading back to resistance. At the resistance, we saw a pin bar here. So what do we do at the resistance zone? We take another sell trade. There is a fourth one, we take another sell trade. And price went all the way down and broke the support level. So this is just about 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and if you should calculate them, each of them will give you roughly 80 to 70 pips. This was 75, this was 63, it was 80 pips there. So if you should calculate all of them, that will give you over 300 pips. Over 300 pips. So you are taking over 300 pips from a ranging and consolidation market. We use standard lot size, that is over 3000 USD on just 4 trades within few weeks on a ranging market. So while everybody is saying price is ranging, price is correcting, you are making your money. So price broke down. Once price breaks down like this from the support zone and retests the support level, don't jump into the trade. You are off. You should be off of the trade and start selling. So that is it. That is a simple trick and secret people don't know about trading. All you need to do, because it's a bit easy to spot a support and resistance that has been completed already, but spotting a new consolidation or a new ranging market is a bit difficult. So all you need is the first 3 points. When you just get the first 3 rejection points, you can start there and trade your support and resistance. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if this video was helpful for you, click the like button. If you have questions, comment below. I will be here to give you more explanations on this video. For you to be able to achieve over 3000 USD in just 4 trades, you must make sure price is approaching a key support and resistance zone. And how do you know a key support and resistance zone? These are always on the higher time frame. I'm talking about key turning point in the market. Key turning point that price have been there more than 4 to 5 times and the level is still holding on the higher time frame. So those are key support and resistance zone. That is one. Then second thing you need to do is wait for rejections. You need to see those rejections, at least 3 rejections on that zone before you start trading. Then take short-term reversal trades. Like for example, since this was an uptrend and our rejections was to the downside, so our short reversal trades now are selling trades. Always when you are trading this thing, find the key turning point, key support and resistance may be on the higher time frame. But if you want to trade it very well, very clearly, you need to come down to the 1 hour or 30 minutes time frame so that you will see what is really happening there. But I don't like going to the 30 minutes. 1 hour is better. It's just like day trading, so you just be on the 1 hour time frame. Then if you really want to make over 3k, you have to use a standard lot size. You need to use a standard lot size. If you use anything less than that, you may not make up to 3k USD. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if this video was helpful for you. If you have questions, comment below this video. I will come with more explanation and other set examples. Thank you.